I think you'll find that a lot of Mexican things, they always use cumin, oregano. And that's, just like we made this here. Okay, like if you have a pulled chicken, then you just throw it in there. And then you have what they call chicken and mole.
Oh.
So that's just another dish. It's the same thing. And as far as the filling, now this you can remember yourself. 1 pound of hamburger will make 1 dozen tortillas.
Okay.
Okay, so you just brown your hamburger, and you can have your diced up onion. I know Joe don't like big chunks of onion. And diced up onion, and you can fry it with the hamburger. And then you kind of drain the hamburger because you're going to have like watery juice or something from it. Okay, then you add your cheese. I use Velveeta cheese.
Okay.
And you just cut it up, and then you mix it in with the hot hamburger and everything. And then I think, when I used to make them, I used to make it with, everybody used peas in there. But then all of a sudden, your dad, Jerry didn't want peas in his because he changed his mind overnight,
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I'm trying to remember if I think Joe liked the peas in there.
Yeah. he
So
liked it.
I usually put about, maybe half a can of peas.
Okay.
And that's your filling.
Mixed with the hamburger.
Yes.
Okay.
And so you have your filling here. Now see, when I made my filling, I put it in the freezer. I had made enough for two batches. And so then you have your filling here, and then you have this over on that side, and put something there because it gets messy. And then you dip your white tortilla in there, shake it a little bit, and then I have a little frying pan, and I'll just fry it a little bit, turn it over. And I guess you do that to make it stick more or whatever. But I was thinking to myself, what would make it easier and not so messy? And I was thinking, why not just heat up your white tortillas? Why not just dip them in that, and then, like put it in
Plate.
not a plate, like a dish like that,
Utility tray.
casserole plate or whatever, dish.
Okay.
And and just line them up in there, and then if you like cheese on top,
Just add it.
just put cheese on. No, the cheese will already be in your filling in your tortilla. You're gonna, like, say you're going to just dip your tortilla, and then put your filling in it, roll it. You don't want to roll it too fat because too fat's not too good. And anyway, then put it in one of those, and just line up your enchiladas, and sprinkle some cheese on it, and maybe stick it in the oven.